Yo, what is going on, guys? Breezy here, bringing you guys a brand new video for today. Today's video is going to be like a little simple sit down video, and I want to talk to you guys on why I started this channel and where I actually want to take this channel, because it is going to start not affecting it like negatively, or it's just going to be different moves for the both of us. Alright. So the reason why I had initially started this channel was because I was going to college and I wanted to vlog my college experience, and I never actually ended up vlogging my experience whatsoever. Like, you guys don't know really nothing about my experience whatsoever. So I wanted to change the channel up to vlogs and blah blah blah. I don't really do vlogs. So now I'm kind of in my channel right now is like product reviews and improving your Twitch, YouTube, mixers, gaming setups, and pretty much just recording, or not recording, but reviewing products. And I still want to do that now. But now I want to talk to you guys about filmmaking. So I go to school for film, if you guys didn't know that. I'm pretty sure you guys probably already did. I've said it before. Maybe did, maybe didn't. But yeah, I want to get more into like doing a little bit of filmmaking and films on this channel. So we're still going to be doing all these product reviews and everything, but instead of just doing reviews for, say, gaming, Twitch, YouTube, we are going to now open it up to cameras and whatnot and those kinds of things. So like my first thing that I bought because I wanted to start getting into filmmaking was this small HD camera monitor. I don't know if you guys can see this. But yeah, I bought this monitor to start doing films and stuff. So like now, I guess you can say I could do a review on that, even though I've already unboxed it and like used it a little bit, not really. But I used it for a little bit. So now I guess you guys can say I could open it up to doing something like this and talking about this monitor and why I bought this monitor and things like that. Just like I did with the lights up for my desk. So instead of just talking about like Twitch and YouTube and Mixer, we are going to open it up to filmmaking. Honestly, I'm excited, guys, for this upcoming year. I want to open it up. So I want to know what you guys think. Would you guys mind seeing short films or more filmmaking? Don't worry, we're still going to be doing product reviews for YouTube because my gaming setup, honey, that's not done. So yeah, so you're going to be seeing behind the scenes of creating films and doing things like that. That's the whole thing that I want to talk about, is I want to bring cinematography onto this channel, and I want to start doing short films and things like that. I kind of was inspired by some filmer YouTubers. My overall goal is to just like make cool content that I want to make at the end of the day. So whether that is filming something, or whether that's making a vlog, or whether that is, shoot, I don't know, filming some kid do a backflip, I don't know. Or maybe my goal is to become a filmer for other YouTubers, I don't know. I kind of like filming ever since I got this monitor. Like, I have like wanted to start filming crazy amounts of projects. Would you guys be fine with me incorporating filming products onto this channel? Because I can guarantee you guys my next video is going to be about this small HD monitor, which I don't even know if you guys can see that. Boom. But yeah, that is going to be my next video. It's going to be a review and usage on this. So yeah. But honestly, guys, I'm going to end off today's video here. I know it was like not like a typical video, and I haven't been doing typical videos yet because it is October and I wanted to do some spooky videos, and I wanted to do those kind of videos. But like at the end of the day, I really ain't got nobody to do videos with. So peace out, everybody. So this has been Breezy, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.